It's pretty easy to get fooled by some of the short-term negative things taking place in the market. Obviously, we got we got ravaged yesterday when it comes to really everything. SHIB followed the entire trend of the market, and frankly, isn't even down that bad compared to most things. But we did fall all the way back down to this 40163 range. You guys can see that here. We're back. We are back in our gift zone, giving us another opportunity to accumulate cheap Shiba Inu. Now, there's something that historically is taking place for BTC that people need to be aware of. And again, I want to point out how eerily reminiscent this is to this blown out trend from back here before March. This is our basically dip back down into the opportunity zone before hopefully escaping, trying to test some of these levels, and then our send moment, right? As always, again, this is not financial advice, but what we're seeing here in terms of BTC is this long-term trend breach. So we broke this downtrend over the past few days. We broke above it. We came back down, a big BTC correction, exciting. But then obviously later yesterday and last night has pushed us above this long-term trend and basically invalidated this downtrend here that we've been in. Now, here's the thing. This line has been breached before, and it has done something historically significant when it comes to BTC. It's the cliff moment. It is the moment where this BTC dominance drops off in an insane way. For example, look all the way back at last market cycle, and this was the moment where we basically had our alt season trigger. It is where everything essentially started going full vertical. This actually took place in January of 2021. If you guys remember, that's when charts started getting absolutely wild. Stuff started going full vert. You guys can see right here what this did to the charts. And SHIB, during that same time frame, it probably won't show on here. SHIB during that same time frame saw some great gains as well. It's when excitement picked up. It's when capital started flowing in. And this is, again, this historic moment for BTC. Now, again, this may not be just an immediate drop off, right? We know that institutional money has been buying in a big way. Even yesterday was still a buy day for institutional money when it comes to BTC. And frankly, if they keep getting the discounts like people are just handing over to them, we're going to see them keep accumulating. It's not surprising at all. What this means for SHIB is that when BTC dominance starts dropping off in a big way, SHIB tends to start performing well. New capital flows in the space. SHIB gets hit in a big way, and that's, again, what leads us to these blowout extensions like we saw here back in March. Now, again, as always, guys, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. We saw some major things take place yesterday. Like I talked about earlier in my ADA video, we know Grayscale's on the heavy dump when it comes to spot Ethereum ETFs. Eventually, they'll run out. It kind of is what it is. We saw a bunch of longs get liquidated yesterday, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of longs, because people keep playing with, leverage to try to push the market up. They try to keep getting cute on like 50, 100x leverages in terms of BTC, and then people are surprised when they're washed out. They basically back up their liquidation point right up to the edge of price. And unfortunately, when you get some negative news, when you get some big selling that takes place, you fall into there very easily. So the point is don't be dissuaded by what's going on right now. Don't be fooled into thinking that the overall market direction is changing or the overall timing in the market is changing. Guys, we're still on pace for a normal market cycle. It may be kind of hard to visualize right now because the summers just frankly suck so bad, but we know what comes following here. People get more excited. People get looser with their money, right? The summer is just kind of this blah time. But alt season, that's a time of excitement. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.